Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Sian. I mean, I've been waiting to get this one for a very long time. Finally I was able to get it, and this is 60th anniversary edition, and this is from their exotic series. And again, I'm pointing this out. So I think this is the third time I'm pointing this out. So before that, I need to tell you one thing. This is the 2023 edition, and this one, the scalpers are selling for nearly somewhere from 800 to 1500 rupees. So please be careful while you are purchasing online. So this MRP is actually 149 rupees. Like I already said, I got it for 141 with a discount. So it's a win-win for me actually. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, I actually have few Lamborghini Sians, which is by Majorets. That casting was really nice. So I hope you guys can see it here. Let me show you. So it is here actually. I'm having one more which I will unbox maybe in a few days. So let's have a look at this first. The casting looks okay. So it does feel like plastic a little bit. It doesn't feel like a metal, or it doesn't have any weight to it. The rims looks really nice. Okay, the detailings are really good, specifically for this price range, since it's just it is a mainline, I know, but these are the base models, right? We can't expect much from this. Let's see how it rolls. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not smooth as the Porsche. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.